In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x6 banner in Canva and print. A 2x6 banner means 2 feet tall by 6 feet wide, so we'll set up a canvas that's 72 inches wide and 24 inches high. Start in Canva by clicking Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Change the units to inches, set the width to 72 and the height to 24, and open your new design. This gives you the exact proportions your printer expects and helps you design at full size, which is important for clarity. From here, you can build your layout using Canva's pre-designed templates or start from scratch. If you want a head start, browse the template library and select a banner style design that matches your theme. Once you've picked a template, customize the colors, fonts, and images so it fits your message and brand. Whether you are using a template or designing freely, focus on using high-quality graphics and photos. Large-scale prints can expose low-resolution images, so avoid stretching small photos to fill big areas. If an image looks blurry at 100% zoom in the editor, it will likely print that way. Vector elements, shapes, and text from Canva will scale cleanly, so lean on those for crisp edges. Make your text bold and readable from a distance. Keep contrast strong, dark text on a light background or vice versa, and limit how many fonts you use so the design feels cohesive. Keep the most important content centered and uncluttered. Plan for a safety margin. Keep essential text and logos at least 1 to 2 inches from every edge. Printers often hem the edges or add grommets for hanging, and these can cover or punch through content that's too close to the border. By pulling key elements inward, you protect them from being cut off and make the banner look professionally balanced. Decorative backgrounds and full bleed colors can extend to the edge, but crucial details should not. When your design looks polished and you've double-checked spelling and alignment, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download. For file type, choose PDF print, which is best for quality. This format preserves sharp vector text and graphics and keeps images as crisp as possible for your printer. Save the file and you are ready to send it to your print provider. That's it. Thanks for watching.